What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of this motherfucker messing with shit. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Guys, yeah, if you watched the last episode, you know that we just had a great time at a body of water that you don't want to eat some fish out of. We are at a place I've never fished before, and we're gonna see if we can get us some fish that we can chat. We got a ton of stuff in here, but my dumb ass forgot the oil. So we might burn the hell out of everything. We should catch some pickerels and use their slime as cooking material. Oh man, the crappy thing is I just went to the gas station and part of me wanted to get bacon to cook first to then cook the fish with, but I was like, nah, we got oil. And I forgot the oil. And I didn't get the bacon. So anyways, we're out here. We're gonna make this happen. See ya.
Should be probably around like 6 or 7 feet deep. Or
9. Huh? Woo! Little perch. Good sign. Found some life. Now I'm marking something. I think. Thought I just saw something come up.
Oh yeah. There you go. Ooh, good mark. Yep. Oh.
Got him. Heavy. Really heavy. Ah! Boom! Man, I'm on fire with the bass today. Damn it. We wanted you to be like a big crappie or a huge bluegill.
Your first fish here is a bass.
My first fish here is a bass, though. I'll take that. Right in the snoot, cud. Right in the snoot.
Awesome.
That's friggin' fantastic, dude. Well, that's a good thing, right? Tall. Nice. Nice, folks. Right after Andrew got his first fish out here. All right, let's get you back in there. No way, fish on. No! That was a fish. Yep. Dude, there was a fish on. I should have had that. Because I wanted to get the miss. Ah. Guys, am I recording? Damn. Where's the screen? I don't have the screen. I don't see what's going on. I don't care. I never used to have a screen. Whew, another bass on the jigger. That's a good one too. This is a healthy little chunk. I hope I'm recording. God damn it, Roger. It says I'm recording. All right, let's do this. Oh, that was awesome. I don't think so, no. This one just went off though. Hoping it's not the wind. Wait.
Come on, perch.
No. How did you feel so big? I thought it was bigger than that. Nice. Oh, sorry, Jerry. Whoa! Catch and cook pickerel! Woo!
Another one.
That's a biggin. Is he out? Yeah. Awesome.
Catch and cook.
Pickerel, catch and cook pickerel.
Big head shakes on it.
Nothing. Yeah. Little Timmy's getting fucked up. That's dope.
We got a meal.
Yeah, a boning meal. We need to fucking fillet that thing properly. If we fillet it well, we could get a couple boneless fillets out of it. I've seen it done. Precision angling. My buddy up in Maine. He was like, they're so good, you have no idea. And it really is like one of the best tasting fish there is.
That's a Ryan.
Yep, Ryan said that too. And Ryan took that one home and ate it. Whoa! He pulled this fucker right out of my hands as I was setting it down. I was about to put the flag down.
Damn.
Am I recording? Yay! Woo! Double up. Should we cook the bass now too? Just kidding.
No, we got something.
And now we actually have something to eat. Survival. Little Timmy getting us another fish. Or Fred, or whatever I called him. Peace, bud. Oops. Later, pal. All right, folks, so we're not cooking yet, and this guy's still alive. I'm gonna put him out of his misery by getting him right behind his brainstem. I might not show this on film, but it's happening, so. Should do it right there. End his suffering. Catch a cock! All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know, we're doing it. We're out here. We got the freaking fish that we need to cook. So now we're just looking for a little bit of icing on the cake. We're looking for another fish or two to add to our little fish fry. But we got it done. Definitely not the target species. Definitely a fish I've never cooked before, so let's see what we can do here. Hopefully it tastes good. I heard they taste delicious, but they're super bony. So we got like another hour or so of fishing. Then we're gonna move around the corner, maybe even plop a couple flags in next to us, and fry that pickerel up. Let's do this. It's one of the biggest ones. I'm not saying much, but you got it. Nice. Awesome, Andrew. Pretty decent head shakes. Nice. Healthy little chunk. There goes your bag. One little chunker that I just got. Small fry. But man, it's been fun. Good thing we don't have to eat you, bro. Because we got a pickerel. Yay. Guys, I was saving my battery to do the catch and cook, but I just jigged this MFR up right here. Same old, same old.
Slaying the rats.
Yeah, dude. We definitely got the dink dialed in. Dink dialed. Feels little. Nice. Walking to that trap to take it down. Man, you took that monster shiner, bro, huh? Look at the size of that shiner. I'm gonna keep him. Shit. He's still, yep, he's still kicking. All right, bud. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, the catch and cook that we were not planning on making. So, first I gotta get a thumbnail for this thing, and then we're gonna go ahead and fillet this baby up. All right, folks. We slice it and dice it, and hopefully we get a couple sandwiches. Now,
and then we multi-spice it.
that's very true. Multi-spice. So we're gonna slice, dice, and multi-spice. Where'd that fucking knife go? All right. First things first. I've seen one, count it, one video on how to fillet one of these guys, and it was a while ago, earlier this season. Josh from Precision Angling sliced himself up a couple pickerels and grilled them right on the ice, and he was talking about how freaking good they are. So when we did catch this fucker today, I decided, why the hell not? Let's do this. So I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna slice down the spine, and I'm gonna hopefully get us a steak off the fillet here and the fillet here. Now there's some back meat too in the tail, and we're gonna see if we can get that too. These things are super bony though, so we only want this like fillet part, and that's it. So we're gonna do that. First incision. Dope. Here we go, folks. So the fish is done. Me, your host, the moron, forgot the extra batteries at home for the big camera. This camera has gone through all 3 batteries, and the power cord on the first day, mind you, using the GoPro Hero 7, the power cord plugged into this extra little thing that costs $50 that goes into your GoPro so you can have a microphone, which might not have been working all day. We don't know. It's the first day ever using it. All this stuff all plugs in together and whatnot and what have you, and everything's toast. So right now you're on my old GoPro Hero session. The fish is done. The buns are done. We scraped most of the garbage off the buns. Oh, how's this one? Yeah, you did a great job. Holy shit. All right, so let's take the tops off. Let's get some fish on here. Guys, this is pickerel. It's hopefully boneless. Don't knock it until you try it, I guess. I've never knocked the flavor of pickerel. I actually have heard it's really good.
There's another one. Nothing little Frank's Red Hot can't fix.
Yeah. You got a bone? Throw Frank's Red Hot on it. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. God, dude. It's real good.
Dude, that's really good. Wow.
Guys, pickerel sandwiches. Pickerel sandwiches!
Wow, dude.
All right.
We're going pickerel.
We're frank.
from
Let's
now on.
frank it. This is the real deal Holyfield right now. All you hookers and hoes know how I feel. Guys, there's barely any battery on this. Hopefully we can actually eat this. That's good. Wow. Phone's dead. Big camera's dead.
Literally put the shit
GoPro's
on
dead.
everything.
Yeah, Frank's is the best. Here goes nothing, folks.
Oh, no.
To pickerel sandwiches.
Dude,
Oh, that's good.
that's really good.
Wow.
Yeah, fuck. Yeah.
Thanks, Josh. You're the fucking man. Woo! Wow. We came here for fucking panfish and we caught zero. All we caught was bass. And then we got the one fish we would never want to fish, or we would never want to catch.
And now we're eating it.
And now we're eating it. Wow.
And look at this.
Fucking end of a beautiful day.
Well, guys, if you like what you saw and you too want to have a pickerel sandwich, you should hit that subscribe button. Like it's going to do anything for you. And hit the bell as well, because we're idiots and you know you love us. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Peace out!
Dude, this is really good.
I can't even fucking believe this shit. What have we been missing out on? Oh my god. Thanks to my dad.
Nope.
That grill would like force me to. And you know how much better this would be with oil too? It would have fried up so well. I haven't even like tried to look for bones.
That one just poked me.
I've just swallowed everything. I don't care.
I'm gonna be shitting out bones later.
So good.
What are you doing in there?
Ping! Oh my god.
Bones.
Oh, sorry. Did I get you with that one? This is unreal. I can put lettuce on this. Yeah, could I buy you a fish sandwich? I have some Cavassier. Who caught that pickerel? You did?
I did.
You caught our dinner? Thanks to Andrew for catching our dinner. He's a prick.
We're gonna get so sick. Oh, pickerel sandwich.
I can't even get over how fucking good that is.
Nope. If I hadn't seen that video with Josh, like I've heard other people say it, but this kid Josh I kind of trust a lot. That was real good. B-roll on a GoPro sucks. Almost everything on a GoPro sucks.